Hello friends, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So here we are going to discuss about a very interesting concept called multi-valued map. Before to that, let's say like I have a map having key value pair and I am passing the same key twice. Then what will happen? Which value it is going to take? So that's the question because in map the key should be unique, isn't it? Yeah, that's where this concept evolved actually. Multi-valued map. Uh, you can use from Apache collections, also from the Goa library. You can use this. So yeah, you could see here, right? So first, let me show you that library first. So what is that library is this guy, Apache Commons collections basically. Okay, this library will allow us to use this. Okay, the purpose is simple. Basically, like for every key, corresponding value will be like a collection. So I have the key and the value. Then the next key comes. It will check whether the key is already present or not. If it is present, it will add that value to the already existing thing. That means since it is using the collection, right, it will simply going to add it. Okay. So let's try to implement that. So I have added this Apache collection 4 in my pom.xml. You could see here, right? Now, what I can do is multi-value map. Let's say like string and string, like map is equal to new. Here, you could see ArrayList HashMap. I'm going to take. Okay. Now let's put few values like key 1 and value 1. Similarly, let's duplicate this 2 times. Okay, now let's see what is going to happen if I put this map dot get of key 1. This is the interesting one basically. Okay, if I execute this, what will happen is it is going to return me the list of values. You could see here, right? Value, value, value 3 times, right? Why? Because if I see here map dot get, here it is returning me the collection, and on that collection I can simply iterate. Okay, that's the best thing. And it can have contains key, contains value, entries, is empty, all the things. Basically multi-valued map is a subset of the map, and so it will have all the methods of map, but the key difference is for the given key, if you are duplicating the key, it will store all the values because it is using that collection as a value. Okay, even though if I given string here, it will take collection of strings. That is the difference, and it is good to know, but not much we are going to use in. I never used it basically. That's why. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.